Hey dear friends, subscribers and guests on my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn on Binance Pro chart. Put your like, subscribe to my channel and let's start. So first we must go to Binance and let's click on a coin, on BNB coin for example, and here you can see a chart on Binance Lite mode. And as you can see, this is very uncomfortable and very bad chart. And I will show you how to turn on Binance Pro chart. So first we must go to this yellow square. Click here. After that you can see here a button called Binance Pro. Click here. Wait 2 seconds. And here you can see Pro version of Binance application. And here you can see go to BNB for example. And now you can see the best chart on Binance. And this is very comfortable and very good chart. And you can see trading data, info, and here you can see a lot of information about token. For example, rank, market cap, fully diluted market cap, market dominance, volume, and etc. And that's all. If you enjoyed this video, put your like, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.